Hey Diego, hello. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher. How are you today?
Oh my gosh, I'm fine, but I have this problem. I have to make a presentation in English in 2 days. So today is Monday, Wednesday. And this is the first time I have to do it in front of a lot of people. And as you know, I'm very anxious. I'm very nervous when I have to do this, but I don't know what to do. I need some advice. Can you help me?
Yes, and in my opinion, in this kind of situation,
Yeah.
I always recommend have peace and mind at the time of the presentation, teacher.
Oh, peace
Because
of mind. Okay, I
teacher,
like it.
not be afraid.
Aha. Yes, okay. But you're saying, okay, stop there, stop there. So you're saying to have peace of mind, to be relaxed. It's true. I like to drink coffee. Do you think that is good for my nerves or not?
Uh, yes, drink coffee is
Yeah.
good. I love it. I love it, coffee. A,
Okay.
a
Excellent.
cup, a, and Colombian coffee.
Oh my gosh, exquisite. I love it. But the problem is that if I am nervous and I have to speak in front of people and I drink coffee, coffee is going to give me energy, but
Yes.
a lot of energy. So I might be like anxious. But good. Okay, I like this.
The,
So
the
yeah.
coffee help you clear ideas for the presentation of people.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. I agree. I agree. And I love it. I think it's wonderful. Okay, what other advice can you give me, please? I'm nervous. I don't know what to do. Yes.
Okay. Training or pronunciation, we can transmit the best to a weekend our attention on public.
Okay. All right.
Mm,
So you're telling me to practice before the presentation?
yes, practice a lot.
Very good. It's true. Sometimes I don't have time, but I
Mm,
have to do it. Yes, wonderful. What else? What else, please help me?
um, you can use slides, support material
Hmm. Okay.
for your presentation in
Mm-hmm.
English. Is is very important to have the audience connect.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so if I want to have the audience connected, how can I do it?
Um, with eye contact.
Oh, very good. Yes. Well, in some cultures, it is bad education to make eye contact. But
Yes,
if you're a presenter, it
for
doesn't
your
matter.
profession.
Yeah, if you no, but if you're a presenter, you can do it because people are there to pay attention to you. So I think eye contact is excellent. I love that piece of advice. All right, what else? Please help me. Do you have any other advice?
Um, uh, mm, my my recommendation,
Mm,
at the end, but
yeah.
we can answer a question
Mm-hmm.
and we not give our personal contact.
All right, personal contact for further questions. Okay, that's interesting. All right, so let me see if I remember. First, to have peace of mind, then to practice, then to have the audience connected by making eye contact, and then giving personal contact for further information. I think that is quite amazing. And I think I'm going to think about these because when I present these project on Wednesday, I'm going to have these ideas in my mind so I can just be in control of the situation and then I can have good results. Amazing, Diego. Wow. So, Diego, when you make presentations in English, is that difficult for you?
Um, a little because I don't know words.
Yes, all right. Okay. And but what do you do before a presentation? What do you use these strategies, for example, to be relaxed, to practice? Which one is
Yes,
which
relax
one is your
and
Mhm.
practice a lot in my computer and with
Yes.
my my friends listen to me my presentation.
Mhm. Okay. All right. Excellent. Okay. Do you have any other piece of advice for me?
Um, no,
It's all right because I think you gave me five wonderful pieces of advice that I'm going to take into consideration. And as I always say, practice makes perfect. Well, Diego, I'm very anxious. I'm going to make the presentation on Wednesday, and I'm going to let you know about the results. Okay, I'm going to let you know if your advice was like effective or if I perhaps had some problems in the process in the making, but so far so good. Thank you very much. All right, is
okay,
there is
teacher.
there is there anything else that you want to say?
No, teacher. Any
Yes.
question for me?
I don't know. Well, no, I mean, I asked you the question if you applied these and you say yes, you apply these techniques. You told me that sometimes it's difficult for you because there are some words that you don't know how to say. But my last question would be, in general, what advice can you give English students who are beginning and might feel insecure? So what advice can you give them?
For me, is
Yes.
practice. Practice, practice a lot. It's very
Right.
important for our presentation. For
Hmm.
me, it's very important.
Okay, super duper. Thank you very much. All right, Diego. Well, thank you very much for giving me this advice. I'm very happy. And this is the end of the activity. Thank you very much. All right.
Okay, teacher, have a good day. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.